You know the story about the scorpion and the frog.
So I'm hoping the camera is dry. I mean, it's going to be raining all day today, but good morning anyway. We've been riding for about 40 minutes. We are at Loch Carron. We've come from Saucy Mary's, and now we're 40 minutes away from Applecross, and that's our next stop. And some of the roads we've just come through are absolutely incredible. I didn't want to put the camera on because I thought, oh, it's going to be awful weather, but it's not too bad. It's meant to be a light drizzle all day, so prepare for some moist footage. I'm hoping we won't be, you know, we won't be that bad. Saying that, I probably just jinxed it now. We'll just see how we go. And now we're going into the wild. Cattle grid. Oh! Matt did alright. There we go, we're on the single track roads. Going through the clouds. I want to buy a pair of goggles or something because I want to be able to take my visor off and just look at this absolutely beautiful landscape. Oh god, I didn't see where the road would go in then. So we've turned left onto the Applecross Pass now. So I think this is going to start getting very tight roads, very awesome views. I mean, they're already awesome, but we're going to get awesome. I mean, here comes that rain. Just a light drizzle, but it's just enough to just annoy you. Because you want to ride with visor up, get that wind blowing through your head, through helmet, keep a bit of aircon going, but instead you're not getting that. So we had a lovely night last night. We went the King Hakoon, or whatever it's called. I went to a little bar, had a burger, a couple of pints. It was really quite something. The staff were absolutely lovely and friendly. And now this is where we're going to start doing a lot of waiting around in these passing places. I mean, we're going up into the clouds. That's what we're going up into. boy, this is going to be fun. Oh boy, here we go. Taking visor up, doing my head in. I'm hoping we can stop at the top and get a beautiful shot of everything. I mean, I don't want to be like, you know, carry on going. My Mark wants to stop and take some pictures. I mean, that's fucking incredible, that, isn't it? But you don't realise how steep you're going when you're trying to get your throttle going. It's like it's just not having it. I mean, Christ almighty. This drop is, you know, if you drop your bike, you're walking on, pal. That is just unreal. Unreal, that.
Look at that corner up there.
I know.
There's a barrier.
Oh, there's a lot of traffic coming down. I mean, you can see the point where we're going to go into the cloud. Oh, it's bikers. Himalayan, nice, nice, nice. I mean, you could hear how much throttle I was having to put on to get up this hill. I hope there's a passing place between me and you, buddy. Don't, just wait there, oh, wait there, wait there, wait there, wait there, wait there. You good, Mark? Good. Fucking hell. I mean, this is phenomenal. We are now going like into a thick cloud. I need to put my visor up, but it's raining. Like down there is fuck me. Oh God. I mean, there's a waterfall over there. I don't know if you can see. Legs of Thunder there, getting up this. Should have asked if she wants a lift. I mean, Christ almighty. I would have loved to have come and done this on a clear day, yeah? Because the views would have been amazing. Absolutely breathtaking, no doubt about it. But doing it in the thick of this is quite an experience. Like, it is, I mean, I think we've passed the thick of it now. I don't know. Well, that little bit before, Jesus, that was bad, that. I'm gonna leave my high beam on for a bit. So we've just done Applecross. The camera died at some point during it. I mean, where these people are, you couldn't see that. It was crazy. Your visibility was so low. But it was incredible, and I'm glad we did it. Come rain or shine or foggy clouds or whatever, it was just good fun. And there's still plenty more to go today. At least another 3-4 hours of riding around the coastline down to Inchbae or Inchbae Lodge, one of the two. I've left my jacket undone. Come here, being a regular player. So I mean, as you can see, you can't even see the clouds. It's nice to see the bikers though, and everyone's just so friendly. Looking forward to the rest of the journey. I mean, today's Friday and we've still got another 3 days after today of riding to go, you know. It's exciting. And I'm so glad that I'm doing it on this bike. It's been so enjoyable. I mean, throwing it around them hairpins, first gear, uphill, steep climbs. Absolutely breathtaking. I mean, coming here when it's sunny, I mean, it's probably going to be still enjoyable. I guess you get a lot of more midges, whereas we've not really had any because it's been kind of wet. But I wouldn't change this for anything. Doing it in this, doing it in the sun, both incredible. I mean, every second I'm going further and further north. Like last night we went bed, must have been like 11 o'clock, or 11 o'clock was walking back from the pub, and it was sunny as anything. Sunny as anything. And then I think I woke up at 4, really needed a pee, and it was still really bright. I kind of wish we had a day where we'd stop somewhere and we'd stay there for the day, do some sightseeing, do some touristy stuff. But I mean, next year, that's always something in for next year. Maybe plan like, I don't know, a day or two at Isle Skye or John O'Groats or something like that, you know, where we can just spend the day chilling, doing a bit of work on the bike, washing home, giving a, you know. But I mean, look how clean that water is there. God, that was blue. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Jeez. This just looks like Rohan. You know, Lord of the Rings. Absolutely incredible. jeez. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. Okay, now. Not going to go too fast down here. I mean, the view is incredible. We should be good for a little bit now. Cute things. Oh, there's all cute sheep. Oh, hello, there's one here as well. Hello. Oh man, they're so cute. Some there as well. Hello. Oh man. Oh, they're so cute, them sheep. Absolutely adorable. I don't know if you want to stop and get something to eat. 17 miles. So we was in like the open, stony grounds, if you can call it that, of that peninsula, whatever you want to call it. And now we've come over to this opposite side, and it's just lush trees, cliffs, hills, mountains, if you want to call it that. It's just breathtaking. It goes from one beautiful landscape to the other. Incredible. Maybe do a bit of racing around here now. Wider roads, you can see more. Just over there. Isn't it mental? I mean, I'm glad I'm doing this on a bike. I don't think it'd be that much fun in a car. I mean, you'd be warmer, be able to have a chat with your mates, but the thrill of doing this on two wheels is just something incredible, you know. Well, we were On our way around the like final peninsula, if you want to call it that, and we stopped because I wanted to put my earbuds in, and Mark's bike was just continuously spewing out oil. So we're now turning around and we're going back. We'll go straight to the lodge, see if we can check in early, and we're going to have a look at why it's doing that. I mean, I'm glad that I packed tools, because I'm going to be able to try and find it while we're waiting for breakdown recovery to come out and have a look, see what's up with it. But he didn't want anyone to know, but he did have a little tumble yesterday. No massive one. He stopped his bike on a hill and then fell off. And I think that's made these fuel cords that he had problems with loose. So it's just going to be a case of just checking that. If we took pictures of the bike on the first night, so if there's not oil on the ground from them pictures, if we could see, then we know it was from the tumble and we know kind of what we're dealing with. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really that bothered, because the clouds over that way have come down. It's quite thick, it's quite wet as well, and as much fun as it is riding these roads, I'm getting cold. We've not seen anywhere to eat as well, and yeah, I just kind of want to stretch my legs, go off the bike and get something to eat and drink, but we've not seen anything like that. So I'm kind of glad we're turning around and going to the lodge. We can have like a nice evening relaxing, because if his bike doesn't get fixed, the trip's probably going to be cut short and we're going to have to go home. If we can fix the bike, then we can do the rest of the journey. So yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. 40 minutes away from the lodge, should get there about 2. I hope to God they were like, yeah, come check it out. That'd be nice. But anyway, we will just have to see, won't we? I mean, we only noticed it yesterday when we was at the hostel. So, I don't know, but look at these roads, man. Kind of glad we're heading back, because we just get to nail it down them again. It's just, oh, it's so much fun. So liberating. So we've been on our way back to the lodge still. We're about 20 minutes away now. Oh, so hungry. I'm so glad we brought snacks. But started going a bit of the road. It's quite nice. This is such a beautiful valley. I mean, it's incredible. I mean, some of the views we've seen so far are just amazing. They're just truly breathtaking, you know. And they're only going to get better.